Alright, I picked up this typewriter from an antique store yesterday and thought it was super cool because of the huge carriage on it. Carriage is really big. And normally that in and of itself I wouldn't buy it because typewriters have gotten really expensive. But this one was still a really good price, so it's like, I gotta get it and figure out what it is. The other thing that intrigued me is look at these buttons across the front top. I have no idea what those are. And then I noticed, look at how they're labeled. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So I tried to look this up online. You know, it says Remington. I did Remington Model 50. I did Remington wide carriage. I have not found really anything like this typewriter, so take a look at it here. If anyone has any idea on what they think it is, what those buttons are across the front, and what the model is. See, that doesn't give a model either. I mean, it says standard. I'm really interested to know. Here's the buttons on it. Margin release. Set clear. So anyway, let me know if you know.